Hey folks, this is it's a bit of a sound check here, but I got a couple of days off of work this week. We're hanging out at Bald Eagle State Park in central Pennsylvania, north central PA. It is a beautiful weekend, not a cloud in the sky. We just set up camp and I got minimal shade. So I'm gonna have to navigate what that might look like. But the dogs are with me. Sarah's in the camper, sort of just straightening things out. And I just wanted to do a sound check with some new camera gear that we got. Hopefully, we can bring you a fun-filled weekend of time on the water, time on the trails, time at the campsite. Stay tuned. Stay wild. So all of our camping trips look similar. Lawn chairs, a fire pit, dogs laying here. Specifically, Shiloh likes to cry. I don't know what she's crying about because we brought her along. She could be penned up. She's laying in the shade, cool breeze, summertime. What's the deal, dog? Hey guys, we're just out for a morning walk here and doing a little bit of exploring, and we came across this trail called Skyline Trail, and it's a beautiful walk through the woods. I'm seeing a lot of old nature and just a great way to start the day. We'll keep you posted as we continue to explore.
Hey, we're here at Bald Eagle State Park. It's our second day. We got in yesterday around 3 o'clock, got camp set up, and now today we're going to go check out the beach for a few hours. So tonight we're cooking on the open flame. We're having some chicken thighs, potatoes, and some green beans. It's gonna be good.
Hey folks, we're at the marina. We're getting ready to get ourselves a boat. We're gonna go spend the day in the water. We'll check in shortly. Out on the boat ride, we ran into some folks that need some help, so we're giving them a tow. The first mate back there's got us set up. We're going slow.
So we were out boating and somebody was broke down, so we were giving him a tow. And then we're gonna go tubing. And we're coming up here to the boat launch so we can try to get these people that are broke down as close to the shoreline as we can get them, and then send them on their way.
Okay, mission accomplished. We got our friends back to the boat dock, and now we can go out and start to play.
So tell us, how was your ride?
That was great, man.
Feel like you're on the brink of death?
Zach had me ride the edge the whole time. And then once or twice he did get me on the outside of the wake, and we hit it. So that was excellent.
This boat ride has been Lily approved.
All right, ladies and gents, we are having burgers and dogs on the flat iron for dinner. We're just getting started. We'll get a fire going, and we're gonna make some venison sausage gravy later on the night when the sun goes down. But tonight we feast. Hey yo, so I tried my hand at fishing. I got this awesome little lagoon here behind me and this pier to fish off of. Plenty of water, but it's not biting today. No issues. It's a nice day out. Got nothing better to do than get my line wet, and we'll probably try again tomorrow. All right, guys, we are pulling out of the Bald Eagle State Park and had a great camping experience. Sarah and I, we were talking about this. We're going to start rating these campgrounds, and I definitely would come back. There's some pros, there's some cons. Sarah, why don't you tell us what you think of your stay here?
I had a good time. The only thing I would say is the beach was pretty dirty with goose poop, so
Yes.
I would only give it a 7 out of 10 because of that, but we did have fun doing some boating and stuff.
The lake is here, so as far as amenities, it's a great place where you can fish and you can boat and you can swim. Like Sarah said, beach could have been a little bit cleaner. Campsites were clean, plentiful. There were a lot of campsites here, plenty of trails to take the dogs walking and stuff. I'd say the hiking, although we didn't explore everything, was probably novice to beginner hiking trails. Not a lot of great shade, so it was hot in the afternoons, but that could have just been our spot. Overall, the facilities and the amenities were amazing, and like I said, we would come back and spend some more time here. So 4 or 5 days, it wasn't a bad trip.